Hello makers, welcome back to We Are All Makers. Today, we're delving into the world of music and craftsmanship by learning how electric guitars are made. Join us as we reveal the detailed process that goes into manufacturing these renowned instruments, from selecting the best wood to assembling the electronics. Let's get started. Step 1. Selecting the wood. The process of creating an electric guitar begins with selecting the appropriate sort of wood. Different woods, such as alder, ash, mahogany, and maple, have distinct tonalities and aesthetics. The wood is carefully selected depending on the desired acoustic characteristics and the appearance of the guitar. Step 2. Cutting and shaping the body. The chosen wood is cut into a preliminary shape for the guitar body with a bandsaw. This preliminary cut is then modified with various instruments like as rooters and sanders to produce the guitar body's precise curves and design specifications. This process necessitates meticulous attention to detail to ensure the body is symmetrical and comfortable to play in. Step 3. Crafting the neck. The guitar's neck is made from a distinct piece of wood, usually maple or mahogany. The wood is cut into the required form and thickness, and the headstock is carved to accommodate the tuning equipment. The neck is then meticulously sanded to provide a smooth and pleasant surface for the player's hand. Step 4. Installing the truss rod. A truss rod is a metal rod that is inserted inside the neck to provide stability while also allowing for curvature modifications. A channel is carved into the neck to hold the truss rod, which is then fixed and covered with a hardwood strip or artistic inlay. Step 5. Fretboard preparation. The fretboard, which is commonly composed of rosewood, ebony, or maple, is trimmed to size and the fret placements are marked. The fret slots are then meticulously cut with a saw before the fretboard is bonded to the neck. After the adhesive dries, the fretboard is sanded to create a smooth playing surface. Step 6. Installing the frets. Frets are thin metal strips that are pressed into slots made in the fretboard. Each fret is meticulously inserted and secured, with the ends cut and filed to be flush with the fretboard's edges. The frets are then leveled, capped, and polished to ensure a comfortable and precise playing surface. Step 7. Assembling the body and neck. Depending on the design, the neck is screwed or glued to the guitar's body. This joint must be secure and sturdy to ensure correct alignment and playability. The body and neck are next sanded and smoothed to remove any flaws and prepare for finishing. Step 8. Applying the finish. The guitar is given a polish to protect the wood and improve its beauty. Spraying, brushing, and dipping are all options for accomplishing this. The finish can be either clear, allowing the wood's innate beauty to shine through, or colored or sunburst. A smooth, glossy surface is achieved by applying multiple layers and sanding in between. Step 9. Installing the electronics. Electronic components such as pickups, potentiometers, pots, and switches form the heart of an electric guitar. The pickups, which translate string vibrations into electrical signals, are located on the guitar's body. Wires are soldered to connect the pickups to the volume and tone controls, as well as the output connector. The electronics are thoroughly checked to ensure optimum operation. Adding hardware. The hardware, including the bridge, tuners, and strap buttons, is added at this point. The bridge supports the strings and sends their vibrations to the body, whereas the tuners enable for fine-tuning of the strings. Strap buttons are used to secure a guitar strap, making it easier to play the instrument while standing. Step 11. Stringing and setup. The final step is to string the guitar and do a setup to ensure it plays properly. The strings are threaded through the bridge and tuners, then brought up to pitch. To obtain optimal playability and sound, adjust the truss rod, string height action, intonation, and pickup height. From selecting the best wood to final assembly, every step is critical in producing an instrument that will inspire artists for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this musical adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to We All Makers for more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of production and craftsmanship. See you next time.